Hi guys, welcome back. And in this video, we are going to talk about some new things here. So let me type object dot. Before I start like this, I want to refresh the page so that I can create new variables. Okay, so here if I type object dot, so you will see entries and from entries. Most of them are already covered. We have skipped get one property symbols and get prototype of. We'll see them soon. But before that, let's talk about define. So sorry, this one is already done. Entries and from entries. So in entries, so let's create a variable first, object. Now this is an object, but maybe in some scenario we want a key value pair in an array. I mean, inside an array, there will be another array. First array item will be name, second array item will be value. Similarly, for the parent array, the second item will be an array again. And its first value will be country, second value will be value. To see in details, let me show you how it works. Object dot entries. So type entries. So here you will see it will be an array of array, and its first value, its property name is here, and property value is here. Similarly, for the second item as well. Now I didn't keep it in any variable, so let me keep it in some new variable. Now in scenario where we have array of array, and we want to convert them in object again. So let me, by what I mean is, like, if you want to revert object, so in that case what will happen, so we can do it object dot from interest. Now if you see, the reverted object is again the same thing, right? So we can convert it into array of array, and we can get it back. So here instead of entries we can also pass map. So map is a different data structure. It has more features, also including entries. So we can talk about the map in details after some other tutorial, not in object part. But yeah, so overall, to understand what is entries is an array of array, and to get it back we can use from entries. This is all from this video. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.